Hi everyone, in this video I want to compare two single layer Swiss Army knives. This one is called the floral knife and this one is called the Bantam. And the main difference is this one has more tools and is slightly smaller. First let me show you the Bantam. This knife has tweezers, toothpick, and then you have the blade, which is cut on two sides, and then you have here a combo tool that you can use as a can opener, a bottle opener, and also as a wire stripper, and the tip can be used as a pry bar or to tighten or loosen screws as a screwdriver. And then we have the floral knife, which has just a knife as tool, and it's cut on one side. That's kind of unique. Most Victorinox knives are like this. And another thing is you can't remove the scales. With this knife you can remove the scales if it's necessary. It's also other plastic, but this one doesn't scratch as easily, while this one is pretty shiny, but the problem is the scales scratch pretty easily. The floral knife I think they made it for like gardeners to use in your garden, so it shouldn't rust very easily, and that's probably why they used these scales. It's not as aesthetic, but it doesn't scratch as easily, while this knife is more an everyday carry knife to put in your lightweight knife to put in your pocket. They are about the same price. They both have a keychain hanger. So I think which one you should buy, I think it depends on what task you want to do. If you want something to work outside, a knife that you can make dirty, to do dirty tasks, I should buy this one. While this knife is very good as a lightweight knife, you can put this in your pocket and you won't even notice it's there. And it has the extra tools that this knife doesn't have. You can both get them on Amazon. I will put the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.